Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I just wanted to give a little shout out to my ladies who are doing the Julie Nutting Paper Doll Altered Book project. For video number 14, I did an underwater theme and I had created this digital layover sheet. And it was originally created for the paper doll Tasha stamp and the Gracie stamp, but and some people might be having a hard time finding the Julie Nutting stamps because they are older and they're not being made anymore. A lot of them are retired, but I went through and looked in my stash and tried it out. It will also fit for Marisol or Beautiful, so the long skinny one will fit on those girls as well. So you've got 3 options for the long skinny mermaid for Tasha, Marisol, and Beautiful. For the one that will fit on Gracie, if you look at these sets, this is Haley and Zoe. They also have the stamp that's an individual body. So if you follow the video along for creating it and you use those will work as well. So Gracie, Haley, or Zoe for this one. So that gives you more options. I just wanted to let everybody know, and if I can find these, I'll link them in the description box below. I'll also link this digital set, and then check out video number 14 because that's where I show a really fun layout for these in the altered book. So that's it. Just wanted to check in and tell you that there are some other options, and I hope you're having fun in your Julie Nutting Paper Doll Altered Book project. We'll see you next time. Don't make art, art soothes the heart.